Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable adaptive color tone in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to display, and here select adaptive color tone. Just to turn on this button so that your phone will adjust colors and white balance based on the ambient light conditions to make colors appear more natural in different environments. Okay, so in different environments colors will be looking more natural and it will be automatically adjusting colors and white balance. Okay, that is called adaptive color tone. Okay, now itself color tone has been slightly changed. Okay, if you would like to turn off adaptive color tone, just use this button again to turn off adaptive color tone. Okay, now I have turned off adaptive color tone. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable or disable adaptive color tone in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.